If you want to go far, go together. The sun does not forget a village just because it is small. A bird that flies off the earth and lands on an anthill is still on the ground. A person who wears the shoes knows where it pinches. The strength of the crocodile is in the water. The tree of silence bears the fruit of peace. The one who asks questions doesn't lose their way. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. When spider webs unite, they can tie up a lion. A roaring lion kills no game. A wise person climbs Mount Kilimanjaro because it is there. A family is like a forest. When you are outside, it is dense. When you are inside, you see that each tree has its place. A chattering bird builds no nest. Do not look where you fell, but where you slipped. The earth is not a mere vessel that we inherit. We borrow it from future generations. A river that forgets its source will soon run dry. The strength of a lion is measured by its character, not by its size. He who learns, teaches. When the drumbeat changes, the dance must adapt. If you want to eat honey, don't kick over the beehive. Wisdom is like a baobab tree. No one individual can embrace it. The strength of the leopard lies in its stealthy walk. Do not call the forest that shelters you a jungle. Smooth words and an evil heart are like a broken pot with honey inside. When the shepherd is weak, the wolves eat the sheep. He who forgives ends the quarrel. Patience is the key which solves all problems. A person who lacks patience lacks everything. It takes a village to raise a child. A wise person never loses anything if they have themselves. The wise create proverbs for fools to learn, not to repeat. Rain does not fall on one roof alone. Even the best cooking pot will not produce food when there is no fire. Do not let the belly make you forget the benefits of a full stomach. A clear conscience is more valuable than wealth. The path to success is filled with thorns, but they are there to teach us resilience. Haste is the enemy of perfection. An elephant does not get tired of carrying its tusks. In the moment of crisis, the wise build bridges, while the foolish build barriers. When you climb a good tree, the birds will accompany you. The river that forgets its source will soon run dry. A person who tries to catch two grasshoppers at once will end up empty-handed. He who refuses to obey cannot command. Like and subscribe for more.